Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for realistic, no-fluff ways to start saving money, you're in the right place. This video breaks down practical strategies that anyone can use, whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or just trying to build better habits. Saving money doesn't have to mean giving up everything you enjoy. The key is awareness. Track what you spend for a week, every coffee, every snack, every impulse buy. You might be shocked at how much slips through the cracks. Speaking of coffee, our video on transforming your coffee budget into real savings shows how your $5 daily cup can become hundreds of dollars a year in your bank account. Brewing at home doesn't just save money, it adds control and customization. Food is one of the biggest budget drains. Planning meals, shopping with a list, and avoiding processed convenience foods can cut your grocery bill dramatically. Need more ideas? Check out our video on how to save money at the grocery store, packed with tips that work. Dining out might be convenient, but it's expensive. Cooking at home can cost a fraction of the price, and it's often healthier too. We break this down more in our Cook at Home Instead of Eating Out video, perfect for beginners and busy people alike. Impulse buys often feel harmless, but they add up quickly. Before buying something, try the 24-hour rule. Wait a day, then see if you still want it. This small pause can save you hundreds over time. Simple changes like switching to LED bulbs, unplugging devices, and using fans instead of AC can lower your energy bill every month. For a deeper dive, our video on saving on energy bills has practical tips that don't involve major renovations. Vacations don't have to be expensive getaways. Local staycations can give you the rest and excitement you need, without draining your bank account. Check out our Travel for Less video for creative and budget-friendly ideas. Saving money is powerful, but making extra money can speed things up. Gig work like delivery apps, freelance jobs, or reselling can help you stack your savings faster. Our gig economy video explains how to get started and what to expect. In the end, it's the small daily habits that lead to big savings. Whether it's cutting a subscription, brewing your own coffee, or finding an affordable weekend plan, it all adds up. Stick with it, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us grow and keep making useful videos for you. And don't forget to explore our other videos on those damn eggs for more smart, doable ways to save money every day.